Well, we use something called an ADDIE methodology for creating new courses. It's an analysis of what the problem is, what it is we want the student to accomplish in terms of what's their learning objectives. Then if we have a good understanding of that, then we move to the design phase, and we also want to ensure that when we design this course, that it takes into consideration all the learning objectives we've identified as critical. And then we develop that course. We validate it with the subject matter experts to make sure we have the right content, and that content is aligned to the best practices or the standards and recommended practices. So when we put all these course materials together and we validate it once again with our internal colleagues, then of course we went to the implementation phase. There we give out the course as a pilot launch just to test it with some close stakeholders who can give us very real, vibrant and good feedback, so we can make any last minute tweaks to make sure once again those learning objectives are made. And that comes back to evaluation. Once we are content that we have a course that really meets the students' needs and brings value to the students and the organization, then we would hopefully have a new course. But the thing about it doesn't stop there. There's always continuous evaluation to make sure that that course is always relevant, that it's always up to date, that it reflects the most current practices in our industry.